in Department of Pharmaceutics. Today we are going to see the topic of complexation. Complexation is the process of complex formation, that is the process of categorization of the covalent or non-covalent interaction between two or more components. The ligand is a molecule that interacts with another molecule, the drug, to form a complex. Drug molecules can form complexes with other small molecules or with macromolecules such as proteins. A coordination complexes is the product of previous acid-base reaction in which neutral molecules or anions, that is called ligand, bond to a central metal atom or ion by coordinate covalent bond. Simple ligands include water, ammonia, and chloride ions. Once complexation occurs, the physical and chemical properties of the complexing species alter, or solubility, stability, partition coefficient, energy absorption, energy emission, conductance of the drug, force involved in complex formations are covalent bond, coordinate covalent bond, van der Waals forces of dispersion, typo-typo interaction, and hydrogen bond. Beneficial effect of complexation. Drug complexations therefore can lead to beneficial properties such as enhanced aqueous solubility. Example, theophylline complexation with ethynyl diamine to form an aminophyllene, and stability. Example, inclusion complexation of labeled drugs with cyclodextrins. Complexation also can aid in the optimization of delivery system. Example, ion exchange resins, and affect the distribution in the body after systemic administrations as a result of protein binding. In some instances, complexation also can lead to poor solubility or decreased absorption of drugs in the body. For some drugs, complexation with certain hydrophilic components can enhance the excretion. Classification of complexation. It depends upon metal ion complex, organic molecular complexes. Metal ion complexes includes the central atoms as a drug and interact with the base, that is electron pair donor ligand, and forming a coordination bonds between the species. Inorganic type and chelate, olefinic type, aromatic type. In aromatic type, there is a bicomplexes, sigma complexes, sandwich components. Organic molecular complexes, they are queen hydrogen type, picric acid type, caffeine and other drug complexes, polymer type. Non-bonded or inclusion and occlusion compounds, that is channel lattice type, layer type, clathrates, monomolecular type, macromolecular type, and then metal ion complexes. Metal ion complexes includes central atoms as a drug and interact with the base, that is electron pair donor and ligand, forming a coordination bonds between the species. Inorganic type. Then in inorganic metal complexes, the ligand provides only one site for binding with metal. The ammonia molecules in hexamine copalate chloride as the compound are known as the ligands and are said to be coordinated to the covalent ion. The coordination number of the covalent ion or number of ammonia group coordinated to the metal ions is a 6. Other complexes ions belonging to the inorganic group include and each ligand donates a pair of electrons to form a coordinate covalent like between itself and the central ion, having an incomplete electron cell. Hybridization plays on an important part in coordination compounds in which sufficient bonding orbitals are not ordinarily available in the metal ion. In chelates are a group of metal ion complexes in which a substance provides 2 or more donor group to combine with the metal ion. Some of the bonds in chelate may be ionic or of the primary covalent type, whereas others are coordinate covalent links. When the ligand provides one group of attachment to the central ion, and the chelates are called monodenate. Olefin type, the aqueous solution of certain metal ions like platinum, ferroin, silver can absorb olefins such as ethylene to yield water-soluble complexes. These are used as a catalyst in the manufacture of bulk drug and analysis of drug. Aromatic type, bicomplexes, sigma complexes, and sandwich compounds. Bicomplexes are aromatic bases, that is benzene, toluene, and xylene, form bibond complexes with metal ions like aluminium by Lewis acid-base reaction. Sigma complexes, sigma bond complexes involved in the formation of sigma bond between ion and formation of aromatic ring. Sandwich compounds, these are relatively stable complexes involving in the delocalized covalent bond between the d orbital of transition metal and the molecular orbit of the aromatic ring. The other method of classification of complexes are discussed in next classes. Thank you.